In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Microsoft Outlook back online. If your Outlook suddenly stops sending or receiving emails, it is often because the application has switched into offline mode. Knowing how to check and restore your online status is important to ensure your messages continue syncing properly and that you stay connected in real time. This quick guide will help you verify your connection and bring Outlook back online with ease. To begin, open the Microsoft Outlook application on your computer. If you cannot find it on your desktop, you can quickly locate it by using the Start menu search or by selecting it from your taskbar if it has been pinned there. Once Outlook launches, you will see your usual mailbox interface with your folders, emails, and navigation panel. Next, move your attention to the top section of the Outlook window, where you will find the main toolbar. Here, you will see several tabs such as File, Home, and Send or Receive. Select the Send or Receive tab to continue. This section contains tools that manage how Outlook connects and synchronizes your email data. Within the Send or Receive tab, look for an option labeled Work Offline. This setting controls whether Outlook is connected to the internet or operating without a connection. If this option appears highlighted or selected, it means Outlook is currently working in offline mode. When this happens, emails will not be sent or received until the connection is restored. To bring Outlook back online, simply make sure that the Work Offline option is not active. Clicking it will toggle the setting and reconnect Outlook to your email server. Once it is disabled, Outlook will automatically begin syncing your inbox, sending any pending messages, and downloading new emails from your server. After confirming that offline mode is turned off, give Outlook a few moments to re-establish its connection. You should soon see your inbox updating with the latest messages. This indicates that your email service is fully back online and functioning normally again. By checking this simple setting whenever email issues occur, you can quickly resolve connectivity problems without needing advanced troubleshooting. It is a small but very useful step in maintaining smooth communication through Outlook. And that's it. You have successfully brought Microsoft Outlook back online and restored normal email functionality. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.